Yamwachi biem samu akwa bado Badum TV Badwam jumadie no so yeda Apostle Dr. Nita Ekutegwa say ninkwanshan sama odi abreya no pen sama obetie wo mu bi eni kokofu kwen madana de kokoboma obibia se asante hema na wotwe de ne de yedie no hwe no obi anrese basa bia ma ho sansam no ene nsem bi ena yede ebrewo anopay ko Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV Tube na kwa adomonline.com semi ene nsem bebre ewo ho fasedama ma Joy Trish wonta DB ene shemi midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni demientie se den samni chiremu ankasa etie Oba pani ya wo kokofu mechirakwen mada eyo sajefo kusiwa moa beye ene wode kokoboy mu de pa mo bibia asante hema ye ne wanya ne babi ekro na wotweda ene de ye di no obibia hwe wan resi dressing basabasa bia amasie
mesre ema nyina se omo ba omunye decent ye mpese obi be hihye ntade bia ense na emfata ede abaha obia timi ba ye nyina ye nana ene da form nti asante ma nyina na de atoye ni na nsuso no se ye ka decency so a ehia pa na chese because sa brede ye bre ye ho ase ede amaye nana na ye dinuni tinya afei na ye be shisha ye mo wira ye neoma shisha ye ne achi abegina empabo atintin so bia eba ne sa ade a ene ye maoma
enu achi dwadifo ahema ewo asantimantem nyina nso ne adom kase ebonkomo echire mu kwan a wo fa so aye yi no
ye nyina ye nim se asanteman mu de ye ka dwa bia ye na asantehema na ne de ubie store kura wo de mo kura na ana wo ye dwa wo de mo kura na na ahema na ne de enti de ye ka ne se asanteman mu nyina de ye hwehwe ne se kina obia bebu ne kuntunkuni mu na ye nyina ya ba beka ye wura ho na ya ama na ye fe ye nim se ye nyina ye beka ne ho a ye be ya ama na aye fe ba bia wo bia no me de America se sabi unu fie wura tifie na ne nua na ne be firi na so betena ho no na onkonkoma ne dark na ana se onkoma ne hyeden a ene na wa ankasa wabu ama ho eti ye besre se obia wo dwane mu bia no ekira na awotwe na awotwe da ye die no ye besre se obia besore edi nani ahwe fikasie mu ha
kaka ku abrante amanipo asantimantem
of staff for Julius Debrana asa kensi studio biemo aban no modern boy ya wobo so obema pomodin pa tumi akoso wo my Ghana mu se woni afoforo ka bomu na afenso ene AI no eno so bedi akotene e wapomdin mu.
We recognize the leadership role ECOWAS is playing in building bridges between stakeholders, and government stands firmly with you. Together we can make our region stronger, healthier, and more resilient. One of the major highlights of this year's Expo is the focus of artificial intelligence in diagnostics and healthcare delivery. This is not just about technology, it is about saving lives. With AI, disease can be detected earlier, diagnosed made more accurately, and treatment delivered more effectively. For communities in rural and undeserved areas, this can be truly transformative. It can close the gap between the urban hospital and the rural clinic.
Deputy Director General Ghana Health Service, Dr. Caroline Emisa Rindolph, and Sudi Tuja said,
the Ghana Medical Technology Hub Center, I am going to produce medical equipment. About me, I produce yendro. It's just about 30 manufacturers of medicine production. And so you more, even above 100. I'm to be back Ghana, ebe set up. Ebe be a nyuma ama team youth no. Ebe sanso ama apomodin and so I expanded. And then the 16 West African states and about together in the West African sub-region. And they say no, ebe say any hospitals and partner say Kolebu 37 about together. Now you see AI treatment center. AI treatment center no MBJ doctor no ejuma. Dan so eba be complement ama doctor no.
Head of Business Development for Food and Drugs Authority, Olivia Jokumwa Boatin, ne waka ese ampa tasty tom tomato paste no batches bi na how ewo ho no won ma wie ho hyehyɛ no mu nyinara ama eye adwumakuo so a won mo eye no enhyehyɛ ne afutuo bi a FDA de ama won mo no won mo edi so a wo hwɛ sɛ ebi NCBO.
Who some products na your friend non-conforming products and now any fit for purpose no yeah recalling almost systems into me non-conforming products and to buy no yeah training near ensure say a be in CBM. To your one conform with the monitor social media all the platforms and when my to me edit your more you bring your more to book into what they will pay decide this will beton yema will come after you.
Now we see head of legal affairs Emma FDA William Kobla and Swissy Sujuepim say Obibiera wajitin wo maimo na nipa domedi ne chipiano enya de opema nipa krone kwan amana bon sanho de horo wo maimo.
The constitution made it clear that they have every right to partake in everything. They are free to engage in whatever activity they want to engage in, so long as they are lawful, and of course advertisements are lawful, engagements. So for them, they feel that we restricting them from engaging or endorsing alcoholic beverages kind of, infringes on their constitutional right of freedom of, partaking in any trade they want to engage in. So basically that's their bone of contention. But for us as an authority, we are coming from the angle of public health.
Mpanyinfo ya wobo Kintampo Municipal Security Council ya MC Dano Isaac Donko achire enipa enan ene machines aduonum 50 ya wonmo edisensuo wo eye Black Volta River no eso eye Galamsey kase no etwase.
But I ain't Sajuma de cost of the Yenina Yadim. I'm saying, yes, a Black Volta, a source of water. Edema communities, Nibia work Kintampo North. Galamsey for Ababe Remoa, or more to Galamsey, or Black Volta no more. Some information about my name as the municipal chief executive. Almost so much I say for some number of weeks now. Really, here Babe Drew, and also there were Galamsey machines, and I friend Cham fine. Over 30 to 40 of them ever Black Volta within the Kintampo North sector Hanum. Na here say yeba na yeba bi pam omo edi free Hanum. Ebanesa Galamsey yina yenim. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama efrone on Galamsey. The whole Ghana efrone on Galamsey. Men kaya man for yaw yina yenim ni esi as a result of the fight of Galamsey. Ye lusu nipa baku 8 lives. Nti saa dwumadie na ekoso wo ensuo yi so no na ewo se ye animanimu ya ye konhu anase ye wura mu na ye timi stop omo se be ya saa dwumadie no entimi enkoso.
IGP Christian Tetenyonu se enei womo ade Robocop officers ena ede ebeko ekon ahodo ne tichu ebi ayeto aba no obi ye basabasaye no wonmo ede safo no be ye adwumanti akotia ba election no ade se no ebeko so ewo ho.
Baby amijine eye achremantin ubepie mu ewo Eastern Regional Inspector General of Police IGP ene pomafo abaha eye aposifo a womo amomo training sronko nyame yadoma eye akwetia abato ebekoso no sa aposifo yi ana womo de omo bekọ wa omo behwe amaban bo nsem akonenim abra ye bedu ani hu se aposifo yi edanedi se kobane se enuanum bi a womo ye matofo yi ekopemu wa akwetia se womo ye omadwene se womo ba bese abato ebekoso na aposifo edin hihye egu akwam a womo behwe se womo besi anon kwan wo kira aposifo ede eye efidie bi a womo friend say prison on hills na sa efidie womo de kopiem ewo ho a obi a obeba ho so odi nsemone no sa nipa kro no womo ebeso mu achiw twetwe na womo de wahye sa efidie nim ede wa bankran.
By next week they are going to start the training for the public order management where we have men who will be in Robocop so that when there is any disturbances we have deployment of personnel who will be in Robocop at least to contain missiles like stones and sticks that will be thrown at the police station. We have all these men. They are also being trained in Accra. And then together we realize that you can see that we are ready. The police, even if they won the election today, I assure you that we can be able to do the elections.
Inti se ekoho na se bia bibisi wo ba bi ne ntumi nkoho na ese efisro eba enhoma ne ebe yusi ene kwan ebe fa so a ye de besane no eno na muhu ye no.
Medin e de Prince Owusu Esiedu, Adom News.
Menya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan anopai e DCA ye da se emrani adaje a wode maye wodaroma twen ye wode bonkrata no ene Adom online stories no ha ye de to so Medin afia amankwa tamaklo yakwaba.